A pickup in rural demand supported by a fall in input costs is likely to drive strong volume growth for domestic two-wheeler companies in the second half of FY23. Analysts believe the trend in demand has already been visible in the month gone by, which hinted at a likely thriving environment ahead. According to industry body SIAM, the wholesale numbers for two-wheelers rose 23% year-on-year to 1.3 million units in June, while at the retail level, it grew 20.6% from a year ago. From the pack, scooter sales jumped 70% to 420,000 units, while those of motorcycles climbed 9% to 840,000 units.
My sense is that the demand from semi-urban and rural India should again pick up over a period of time, and that would help the month-on-month sales numbers also. So I think about 3-4 months back, when the entire on the auto stock, we had given contra and buy call on the entire auto pack, assuming that the chip and supply side issues will get resolved. We remain positive on the auto sector, including two-wheelers. Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors, Hero MotoCorp and Eicher Motors in the two-wheelers.
As per IIFL Securities, the recent correction in metal prices is likely to lift earnings per share upgrades for two-wheeler OEM manufacturers such as M&M and Bajaj Auto. On the basis, shares of two-wheeler companies have firmly defied overall weakness in the market this year. Shares of Hero Moto, TVS Motor, Eicher Motors, Bajaj Auto have surged between 8% to 32% so far in 2022 as compared to over 9% fall in the frontline Nifty and Sensex indices. That said, as governments push for automotive electrification, analysts believe Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto are primed to benefit from a transition to electric two-wheelers from internal combustion engine two-wheelers.
See, now everyone has started launching their models. Even Bajaj has come out with its own models. So that launch has taken off. So now there will be, I think if they don't launch now, they will be left behind. So we don't see that slowdown now. Now that will take off. And in that, I think Hero is the best place because they have several brands. They have several plays in the market, not only just the brands, but they have Ather and they have one more tie-up in their belt, which work as independent companies. So we believe that Hero straddles both the EV and the ICV space very well. We like TVS, as I told you, and we like Hero and Royal Enfield. These are the three bikes we like.
As regards today, crude oil prices, FII flows and rupee movement will guide the market sentiment. Besides, L&T Tech, JSPL, Oberoi Realty and Federal Bank will be on the radar ahead of their June quarter results.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
तुम इतना डर गए?
अब क्या किया?
शेयर्स में ट्रेडिंग।
तुम्हें 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
ओए, अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर मिलते हैं रिसर्च टूल्स, पोर्टफोलियो एनालिटिक्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज भी। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.